Step on the road with love in me core. Heavy vibes roll, you feel it, me sure. Every beat of the drum make the people sway. Underneath just sun, we dancing every day. Bassline strong, it a shake the land. Rhythm deep like the ocean sun. Light up the fire, make we overstand. Feel the love spread like Jack, come on. The trees them sway a reggae hymn song. Chant down Babylon, make my spirit strong. Every echo inna the hills run long. My heart find peace, my soul belong. Bassline strong, it a shake the land. Rhythm deep like the ocean sun. Light up the fire, make we overstand. Feel the love spread like Jah, come on. Oh Jah, guide me with your wise hand. Ma plant my seed deep in the Zion land. Reap the blessings, make the people them stand. Dub-wise rhythms, the future me plan. The moonlight shine, reflection divine. Unity we build upon nature's lifeline. Every footstep here, Jah Jah design. A reggae revolution flow through my spine. Reflection divine, unity we built upon nature's lifeline. Every footstep here, Jah Jah design. A reggae revolution flow through my spine. With love in my core, heavy vibes roll, you feel it, me sure. Every beat of the drum make the people sway. Underneath just sun, we dancing every day.
Chanting to the wind and the rain. You see the rhythm come and set me spirit free. My heart beats sync with the drum so deep. Feel the bass line, let it rock you to sleep.
The moonlight dance by the ocean wave. The rhythm tells stories deep and brave. The fire in my soul, it ablaze. My voice rise up till the spirits amaze. Oh tide, it carry me far. Sound of the rhythm under the star. The bass line strong, it a make me whole, echo through my veins, deep in my soul. The palm them sway, them follow the beat. The ground beneath me move with my feet. This life we're living, sweet and raw. The bass are the judge, it a set the law. Oh tide, it carry me far. Sound of the rhythm under the star. The bass line strong, it a make me whole, echo through my veins, deep in my soul. We chant for love, chant for life, chant for unity. The rhythm, the bass them bring the harmony. Every man a warrior, every queen a rise. Hear the dub sound calling through the night skies. The moonlight dance on the ocean
tell stories deep and brave. The fire in my soul, it a blaze. My voice rise up till the spirits amaze.
Oh tide, it carry me far. With the sound of the rhythm under the star. The bassline strong, it a make me whole, echo through my veins, deep in my soul. We chant for love, chant for life, chant for unity. The rhythm, the boss them bring the harmony. Every man a warrior, every queen a rise. Hear the dub sound calling through the night skies.
Yeah man, feel the rhythm deep inside. Roots and culture where we take on the ride. Vibes are bounce like waves from the tide. Jaja guide me hard, make me full of pride. The bass line heavy like mountain high. Echoes roll pon the wind, them nah lie. Every step the earth and sky collide. Chant the truth, we can't run and hide. Rock steady pon the roots we create. Strength from the bass make the soul elevate. Dubbing on my veins, it a communicate. Feel it in my chest, make me vibrate. Sound splash like the sun pon the fling. Drum beat, heartbeat, rhythm them bring. Fire blazing, how we voice it a sing. Real evolution from deep within. From the islands where the breeze a blow, me carry the message where the elders show. Deep vibes we plant so the love can grow. In a Babylon we make the wicked true. Rock steady pon the roots we create. Strength from the bass make the soul elevate. Dubbing on my veins, it a communicate. Feel it in my chest, make me vibrate. From the islands where the breeze are blue, me carry the message where the elders show. Deep vibes we plant so the love can grow. In a Babylon we make the wicked true. Rock steady pon the roots we create. Strength from the bass make the soul elevate. Dubbing on my veins, it a communicate. Feel it in my chest, make me vibrate.